Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you what is the button at the very bottom of center console in BYD featuring lightning bolt symbol inside circle. At the bottom of the center console we can find this switch. We can push it upwards or downwards. In BYD ATTO 2 this switch allows you to quickly change the intensity with which the car recovers energy once you lift your foot off the accelerator. In the BYD ATTO 2, there are typically two available settings. Standard, the car coasts more freely, feeling more like traditional internal combustion engine vehicle. High, the car decelerates more noticeably when you let off the gas, recovering more energy for the battery and increasing overall driving efficiency. You can see Recuperation status on the instrument cluster. Right here we've got the standard and now high. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.